What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you two different ways to achieve a sleek, slick bun. So the first way, I'm starting on freshly washed hair. Again, if you haven't watched my lazy wash day tutorial, I already have a leave-in conditioner and castor oil in my hair and it is damp. I make sure to dry all the excess water out with a cotton t-shirt. That's what you saw me pulling off of my hair in the beginning. And then I'm just going to gather all of my hair in the back and brush it smoothly with a brush and go ahead and tie it with a hair tie. I'm not going to put any gel on this section because it's going to be covered. It's already going to be laying flat. All I need to do is brush it smoothly since my hair is already damp. It doesn't have any tangles in it. It's detangled. There should be no problem. There should be no lumps when I put it into a ponytail. So that's what I'm doing. I use a headband and I double it, and then I just go ahead and make a secure ponytail. So now I'm going to work on the first section in the front. I like to split that in half and then put the other half to the side. Then I apply my Eco Gel just right at the front and start brushing and making sure that that section is super smooth. I've been using this argan oil Eco Styler and the olive oil one for as long as I can remember. So if you guys have any gel suggestions, drop them in the comments. I'm always looking to try some new products. So as you can see, I'm making sure that this section is super smooth, and then I wrap it around the ponytail in the back so it can hold for a second while I do the next half. So I'm doing the same thing, applying my gel, and then to get it super smooth, sometimes I like to hold the hair taut and then I brush it while it's held taut, and then I brush it against my head. So after I get the last section as smooth as I want it to be, I just put the two sections together and then wrap it around the ponytail again to hold it together until I do the next side. So again, I'm splitting the section in half and applying my Eco Gel onto the first section, holding the hair taut and brushing my hair smooth. So the reason why I split the two sections in half and apply gel there is because this ensures that these sections are as flat to my head as I want them to be. There's no lumps and there's no issues when it comes to brushing them down and making sure that they're flat to my head. So after I'm done and I make sure that my hair is as flat and as smooth as possible, I take the two sides together and I take a regular ponytail holder and I just make another secure ponytail on top of the first one. This is the part where I like to do the bun, finish my bun, and just make sure that it's as neat as possible. So I'll be doing some tucking right now and just making sure that the bun is the shape that I like. Everyone has their own style of doing their edges, so I'm not going to go into how I do my edges. I'm just going to brush my edges down, put my scarf on, and then come back in a few minutes after I'm finished getting ready.
A few moments later.
Alright, so my hair is done and this is the final result, guys. I love wearing my hair like this, super shiny and smooth. If you watched my braid and twist tutorial, this video looks super familiar to you. It's literally the same footage. So what I'm doing right now is just braiding my hair, and then a fourth of the way down, I'm going to be doing my 3-strand twist. Now this part is super important for your bun. You want to make sure that the middle sections are really flat and a thick enough section to cover any lines or parts in the middle of your head. And then I'm going to do the same thing that I did with the first bun, split the front sections in half and apply the gel and smooth it down to my head. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not sure how this technique will work out for people who have very short hair, very long hair, or very thin hair. The braids may or may not show, I'm not sure. So if you have either of those and you decide to try this technique, please let me know how it works out for you. I like to use this technique literally to just get away with doing my hair for another week or however long. So after I'm done with my slick bun look, when I'm tired of the bun, all I do is take out, the front sections where I apply the gel and go ahead and wash it. And after I'm done washing, I put my little braids in the front, and then the next morning I have a twist out. So with this technique, you're literally getting 2 looks for the price of 1 and less than half of the work. The girls can never say I don't look out, okay? Now this is the next important part. When you are putting together the two sides, you want to make sure that they are completely covering the middle braid. I don't know if you can see it right there, but sometimes I like to get a mirror and just make sure that the braid in the middle is completely covered, and then, you know, go back and brush my hair flat and secure it in a ponytail. As you can see, the braid in the middle is completely covered and my hair is as flat and smooth as possible. Now I'm just going to, again, work on my edges for the next 10 hours. And then I'm going to be working on my bun. So I'm taking some very old human hair that I probably used for clip-ins or whatever. Don't do me, okay? They're going to be okay. I've used this bun way too many times. That's why it looks like this. Don't be like me, okay? So now I'm just gonna wrap the hair around my bun and, you know, just get it to how I like it and secure it down with the hair tie. And after I'm done securing it, I go ahead and apply my scarf, finish getting ready, and come back in a few minutes.
Eventually.
So I'm back with my special guest and my hair is done, it's dry, and these are the results. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.